Alright, welcome class to Springboard 4.1. This lesson we're going to be using midpoints and learning about the segment addition postulate. So first off, we need to cover some vocabulary. Midpoint. Midpoint is the middle point between the first point and the last point. Okay? So the midpoint of a line segment is the point on the segment that is equal distance from the two endpoints. Equal distance. Okay? So an example would be if M is the midpoint of segment AB, then AM is equal to BM. We indicate that with little tick marks. You could have 1, 2, or 3. Anything with 2 tick marks is equal to anything else with 2 tick marks. Okay? So let's take a look at the segment addition postulate. A postulate, you'll remember, is a statement that needs no proof. Needs no proof. Okay? So the segment addition postulate tells me that if 3 points A, B, and C are collinear, that means 3 points all in a line. In a line. Okay, so if 3 points A, B, and C are collinear, and B is between A and C, then AB plus BC equals AC. So example of that, here we've got A, B, and C. We got AB plus BC equals AC. So here we've got AB is 5. AC is 25. Okay? We'll label that. And they don't tell us what BC is. So we've got our segment addition postulate. AB we know is 5. BC they didn't tell us. And AC they tell us is 25. Okay? Do a little algebra. And we need to get rid of that 5 by subtracting 5. If we do it on one side, we got to do it on the other. 25 minus 5 is 20. We bring down BC. We didn't get rid of it. Okay, so BC is equal to 20. Let's go back to our image and fill it in and see if everything makes sense. Our two small segments, 5 and 20, add together to give us our big segment of 25. Okay? Alright, let's take a look at example 1. We've got a ruler and we've got two segments. We got segment AB up on the inches side, and we got segment XY down on the centimeter side. If I look at AB, what is length in inches? It looks like AB is 2 inches. Okay? Now, to measure it in centimeters, we need to go all the way through, and in centimeters it looks like AB is 5 centimeters. Alright, everything looked good on that. My XY is on the centimeter side, so I'm going to do the centimeters first, and because it looks like we've got XY is 3.9 centimeters. Okay, now let's go all the way across, come up and see how many inches, and it looks like XY is 1.5 or 1.5 inches. Okay? Alright, take a look at the U-try. We've got segments D, E, and F. Grab a ruler, measure those, check with your teacher, and when you're done, continue on with the next lesson.